person, so no, you'll be fine, my friend. It's super nice though. I like it. Like
the water's not like ice cold.
no. See, feel the mist of the water. See, it's like super nice.
Like the briar patch was always ice cold.
Yeah.
Here the sun's like beating on it at all times, so like
We'll be
it warms it
fine.
up a little.
I've actually gone down the little drop backwards before, and it's like ah, it's fun.
We were going down the hill. We have more of a thing than just a bubble.
I think it also depends on the weight. So if there's more people, you'll probably get wet more if it's heavier. Here we go. I'm ready to actually get hydrated.
It's like when I take you kayaking. That's how wet you get. Okay?
Yeah. I'll start spinning eventually.
It could get a little wet.
All right, who's betting money? Who's gonna stay dry the entire time?
Okay. I learned not to bet that.
Yep, we don't bet on that.
Not on this ride.
Also, we never should say, guys, I won't get wet because you'll probably come out the most drenched.
I'm gonna get the most wet. I'm safe over there.
Yeah.
Hey, don't put that on us. Thank you.
I mean,
See how the water goes?
hey.
Looks like a fire. It just bumps us around a bit, you know?
Yeah. Hey. No.
If you get super wet, just go on the roller coaster and dry off.
Or just stand in the sun for like a few minutes, you'll be fine.
If you stand in the sun for about 5 minutes, I think you'll be good too.
Exactly. All right.
It's not a big drop.
It's not a big drop, trust me. Woo! Let's go! Hey man, at least I got a nice hair. I got a nice hair wash, you know. Thank you. Hey! Uh-oh! We missed.
Yeah, tell them to pump the brakes. Is there any more drop?
No, I think that's the only one, my friend. Good golly.
See?
Hey. Yep, that is the only drop. Yep, that was the only one. You did good. Ah! The one at SeaWorld is much bigger, but it's not too bad either. That one is really fun as well. What poncho? You're fine.